Hey guys, welcome back to DTech. In this video, I'll be telling on how to install PyAudio. Many people have problems in installing that because the PyAudio needs to be installed on the system first. Some people say that we have to install the Microsoft C++ 14.0, the latest version, but it's not like that. Basically, the problem with that is you can't install it while you have problems with it. So let's install the wheel package first. But before that, we have to do several things. So firstly, you have to go to this PC and right click on it. And then click on properties. It's a desktop shortcut. When you click on properties, a system window will be opened. Click on advanced system settings. Then go and click on environmental variables. Then click on path and then click on edit. Once you have this, take the search bar and type Python. Then click on open file location of the application. It will not show the original location. To show the original location, you have to click on the application, right click and then click on open file location. And there we go. This is the original location. So firstly, we have to add this path to the environmental variable. So I'll be adding all of it again in case to show you. Click on new, then Ctrl V. Ctrl C is for copying and Ctrl V is for pasting. Then enter and then click on new. Now you have to install the pip also. In case to do that, you have to click on scripts and then copy the same thing. Ctrl C, go to the environmental variables, new, Ctrl V and enter. Once you have done that, click on OK and this OK. And once you have saved all the settings, now you have to install the unofficial binaries provided by Windows. So in order to do that, you have to first know which package is your Python. Mine is 64-bit and I have to also check out which one is my system. So in order to check that, you have to go to the system again by right clicking on the Windows icon. Once the settings is opened, I will see which my bit is running. Mine is 64-bit operating system x64 based processor. Now for installing the unofficial binaries, type on Google unofficial binaries Python. After typing that, you will be provided to a IFD UCI link, Python extension binaries for Windows. Click on that, go to the link. Once you have that, you have to find where the PyAudio is. To find that, you click on Ctrl F, which will open a side window for finding words. Then type PyAudio. You will go on to that and you will be provided to this link. So mine is working with AMD 64 Win CP39 CP39. So you have to find out the exact version, otherwise it won't work with your computer. Then once I've installed this one, I have to install it into my system. So when it's installed, you have to go to CMD and then you have to check out where your file is downloaded. Mine basically goes with downloads. So once you have double checked that your file is downloaded in your folder, we have to basically do this. So it is in download. So I have to type cd downloads. Once you have that, click then type pip install py. Once you have typed that, click on tab. It will automatically show the file. Mine is 3994. I mean 39 to 39 AMD 64. No, not 27. So I installed all the files to check which one goes with mine. There we go. This is the file. So click on enter and wait. I have already installed the file, so it will be installation satisfied. It will take some time to find your file, but you can find it easily by installing all the files and running all of them. But my system is compatible with CP3939. So wait until it's installed. So I have installed the PyAudio, the file WHL. Now I have to insert it in Pycharm. So what should I do when I have this? You can easily click on terminal, and then once it's loaded, you have to type pip install, not PyAudio, but you have to type pip win. So we are going to install PyAudio's different version with pipwin, but it will show that you have already installed. So once you have installed pipwin, you have to type pipwin install P capital Y, no, A capital audio, this PyAudio. I have already installed it, so it'll say requirement already satisfied. But this is how you install PyAudio without any problems. Yeah. So this is how you install PyAudio. Once it's installed, you could easily type pip install or normal PyAudio without A capital. It will be installed, I'm sure. It will say requirement already satisfied. You have solved the problem with using another method. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is how you could easily install PyAudio inside Pycharm without getting any wheel errors or C++ 14.0 updates. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and go to the comment sections and type your comment if you have any questions. Also click the bell icon to be notified about my new videos. Bye guys.